So today we'll see disorders of human reproductive system. So today we'll discuss what happened in the male case, and in female we'll study in later on videos. This is like a short video where we'll discuss disorder. I've written the wrong spelling. Well, it's okay. So we'll see disorder of reproductive system. We know human reproductive system, which is a complex structure because this is made up of so many things like tissue, like cell combine they form tissue, when tissue combine they form organ, and then organ system, so on. So what you'll see so many things. Disorder of human reproductive system complex network, organs, hormones work together to ensure proper reproduction. However, various disorder can affect the functioning of the male and the female reproductive system. Our body tries to do everything so nicely, either they're secreting hormone or having network of organs, making organ system and doing such things, but there are various disorder which can affect the functioning, either that's in male or female. So first thing you'll see, leading to infertility, sexual dissection and other health problems. So disorder can caused by genetic, like of course this could be, so we'll see disorders can either be genetic, either be environmental or other regular things. So it's like we'll see so many disorders which all varies, either that's for these factors or affect all ages. So it can be according to lifestyle factors, genetic, this means they're transferring from their offspring, like from the parents to their offspring, and then this system continues till the end. So it could be also genetics like that. So as expert in the field reproductive biology understand various disorder, and these all we prevent measures and these all things. Let's see the first disorder, which is infertility, which is simply when, okay, if I just infertility. So what will happen in this one? So this simply means even that's like more than 1 year and they have not been through any, like they're in sexual contact, but still there's no any changes, though kind of pregnancy and something like that. So that's called infertility. This means there's they have inability, like they are not able to produce. So that's called as infertility. Some short will be clear infant inability to conceive a child after a year of regular and unprotected sexual intercourse, and this can happen both male and female. So let's see, in when it happened in the male, we have so many causes of the male infertility. Let's see, first thing we'll see there would be abnormal sperm production, secondly we'll see ejaculation disorder, third thing obstructions, and the last one lifestyle factors. So these are the factors which we'll see. So these all things, let's see from the first one, there would be abnormal sperm production. How? Because if you just I need to raise this one. So you'll see so many things if you just talk about abnormal sperm. When there is abnormal sperm, we'll try to taste from what we'll take sperm semen, which is liquid part. But we'll see, we'll put this in the microscope, under the microscope, and we'll see so many things like the sperm quantity, how many sperm quantity is produced. If that's more than 200 million, it's okay. If it's less, this means there's kind of problem, and even this problem is also named by something which is called as azoospermia, which I'll tell you later on. But for now, we'll put semen in the under the microscope. We'll see sperm quantity, and we'll see sperm concentration, and we'll see motility and morphology of all these things. Then the total, we'll see these all things. Let me highlight. So a microscopic examination semen which typically determines sperm quantity. Sperm quantity also known as the number they produce, concentration, motility and morphology. So the total amount of sperm is the ejaculated, known as the sperm count. So sperm quantity also known as sperm count can vary greatly, but number below 20 million are typically regarded as low. As I mentioned, when we have low numbers, so this means it's also kind of disease called as, which is oligospermia, which is the common name for low sperm count. Otherwise the disease is called as azoospermia, which result in complete lack of spermatozoa in the ejaculate and can sometimes cause the male infertility. So this means this problem can be happen when we'll see there's less number of sperm producing, like more less than 20 million. That's a disease and called as azoospermia, or also have another name called as oligopermesia. So I'm sure it will be clear. Then we have ejaculation disorder, which is problem with ejaculation such as retro ejaculation, which means someone is entering. Yes, this is quite nice in a sense. I mean, we'll get it very easily. So what you'll see, this is ejaculation disorders. First thing, when the semen is produced, they're supposed to go out of their body, but what will happen instead, it will go back. This means the opposite reaction will occur. This will directly go back to the urinary tract or something like that. It's like it will turn back instead of going forward. That's called ejaculation disorder. Ejaculation, semen entering in the bladder instead of being expelled, or erectile dysfunction can result. So it was same. This could disorder even happen. Then we have obstruction, which is blockage in the male reproductive tract, such as conjugal absence of the vas deferentia, scarring from the previous infection or surgery prevent the transport of sperm. So this is simply when the blockage happen in the reproductive tract, either that's for vas deferens scarring and doing such things, or we already had surgery for that, so it can also happen. Then we have last one, which is lifestyle factor, which is certain lifestyle choices can contribute to male infertility, including excessive alcohol consumption. So, this means if we are drinking a good amount of alcohol, smoking, or drugs, so this means turning obesity, which is fatty like exposure to environment toxins or prolonged exposure to high temperature. The semina simply means when they are living in the hot water, or like they have a good intake in their life of hot water, hot tubs, or surviving in the water. They also can, these all lifestyle can also affect and turn them into the infertility. So I'm sure it will be clear. We have discussed the cause of male infertility, which are the four main reasons I've discussed. So I'm sure it will be clear to you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.